Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You're back here with Ben and Ben Ventures. Thanks for tuning into this video. Before we jump into the video, I wanted to talk about the winner of the Gear Doctor Air mattress. It's been some time, but I got it in the mail. So the winner of that air mattress is Robert Dillon, D-I-L-L-O-N, R-O-B-E-R. I don't have a T here, but I believe it's R-O-B-E-R, D-I-L-L-O-N. Hopefully you're a loyal watcher of my videos, and if you are, just reach out to the email address that I have on my profile and send me your details, and I'll send you both the air mattress and an Amazon gift card of $25. If you don't reach out to me in the next 48 hours, I'm gonna pick another one of my subscribers out, and then I'll be sending them the gear. So hopefully you're watching. So I'm just gonna have a bit of a cook beside this beautiful river. I've got some Korean ribs and some baby bok choy. It's gonna be delicious. And real quick, I also want to talk about a company I'm continuously working with, which is Northbound Gear. If you are interested in getting yourself a 15% discount for some really good quality gear, I wear their pants all the time, and I'm going to be purchasing some of their other gear to test out. But you can use the promo code BENVENTURES, B-E-N-V-E-N-T-U-R-E-S, to get yourself a 15% discount. And I swear by their products. Their clothing is great, so check them out. I'll put their link in the description. And thanks for the watch, guys, and make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Appreciate it. There's definitely that smell and feeling of rain in the air, so it may start to rain. I brought my tarp just in case, and I'll set it up if I need to, but I think it's probably going to rain in the next 10 or 15 minutes, and it's meant to be raining from the weather forecast that I saw today, so yeah, I'm prepared just in case. Jackson! Jackson! Hey, buddy! Oh, he's excited. Jackson! Hi! Oh! Hello! Hello! Good boy! Good boy! So the river that I'm at right now is called the Vedder River in a city called Chilliwack, British Columbia. And apparently it has some of the best salmon fishing in the world, so the salmon still run quite frequently. And where I'm at right now is kind of a juncture point where it splits off to the salmon fishery, so you're definitely not allowed to fish where I'm at. So if you check it out, it continues to go straight, and then it breaks off to the right, and the fishery's over that way. So the salmon kind of swim back up to the fishery where they were birthed, and then they die off. And so if you're driving along the Vedder River, you will see hundreds and hundreds of fishermen because the fishing is so great. If you're in Canada and you're in Chilliwack, come check it out and bring your fishing rod because it's beautiful out here. Well, I'm going to enjoy this lunch by the fire with these beautiful ribs. Look at that. Let's try this out. Oh boy, that's good. Yeah, so I just cooked up some beef ribs that I got at a Korean supermarket, and I fried some baby bok choy and lots of butter. I'm gonna mow down by the fire with this and enjoy the view. Well, it's time for me to head back home. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and check out some of my other content. I've got lots of it on my channel where I play golf, I do other camping trips and other hiking trips, cook some delicious food. So if you got a second or two, check it out. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next video.